Hello friends, in the series of BSE IPF, I welcome you all. We discussed about oil and gas in last session, but today we will talk about chemical industry. When we say a chemical industry, it is itself a very huge and very vast industry. Let us try to see in detail how and what are the aspects and what are the future opportunities for a small investor. When a small investor is choosing or selecting any company to invest, whether it is in a stock market or in a mutual fund, he should understand that what type of chemical producer that company is, and if he's understanding the sector first, then definitely it will help him to take decision in a right way and specifically in a right time. When we talk about chemical industry in India, we produce more than 80,000 chemical and commercial products, which is a huge number. And what type of chemicals do we produce, or where do we require chemical? For painting home, for paints, we require chemical. For adhesives, sticking any two things, wooden furniture, chemicals are required. For medicines, chemicals are required. For pesticides, fertilizers, you need chemicals. For food nutrients, you need chemicals. For cosmetics, you need chemicals. Everywhere, chemical is required. So when we talk about the types of chemicals, or mainly how the chemicals are classified, they are classified as bulk chemicals, specialty chemicals, agrochemicals, and the petrochemicals. We have touched a bit about petrochemicals in our last session of oil and gas, but a company which we are selecting falls under which category, we should decide and we should understand that first. There are various types of chemicals. If you understand the periodic table, you must be knowing it in details. Alkali chemicals is having a share of 69% in the production. So is your company or the company which we have selected falls here or comes here, we should take a call. Then nowadays government is focusing very much on rural economy. They are working on doubling the income. Earlier, a farmer used to do a farming in 60, 40, 80 acres, but because of the nuclear family, uh, they are now having lesser amount of land, and it is becoming difficult for the farmer to do farming in that small piece of land. But government is taking many efforts to empower the farmer, to boost the rural economy, and definitely that's why chemical expert says that agrochemical to grow with 8% per annum. So if a company which we have selected is in the agrochemical, then definitely we should study more and read and understand more about that company. India is a strong global dye supplier. A dye is a chemical. If you add to change the color of the chemical, the mainly dye is used, or to add some more effects of color, the dye is used. So our it is accounting 16% of the dye stuff and intermediates. So if our company which we have selected is in this sector, then again we can go ahead and read about it. These are not the tips, we are just discussing the sector. The size of chemical industry is around 210 US billion dollars. By 2025 it will reach up to 304 US billion dollars. That means a huge opportunity is there for chemical industry, but we need to read and know more about it. Today we will stop here. If you want to know more about it, please mention in the comment section. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. All these sessions are coming to you by BSE, IPF and SEBI, so don't forget to say thanks to them also. The same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi. It is there on YouTube channel. If you understand in that specific language, please visit YouTube channel. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. Stay tuned.